I wish I was a rapper. There's a kid in DC named Mook Diggs, the big OMV, OMG. Hey yo, I think I'm arriving. So, you know what to do. Light your cigars, burn your lighters. The jealousy and envy, nigga. Look at McMills looking at me. Lion heart, nigga. I'm a dove. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, I like to think Christ. Nah, got Christ on his belly. God's son on his belly. Holding the mic. I ain't know you was Hercules. Looking at Fat. Looking at McMills and Jay-Z. I ain't know how hard it was to get to the other side. I just knew I was the greatest ever. The Fabo nigga. Sold cocaine nigga. Pick up 2 barrels in a bandana. Che Guevara. Yeah, man, I'm trying to get some ass tonight. Ride around with the whole crew. Ride around with 11 cars back to back. Been done. Nigga, I hooked up a Marlo and hit Baltimore. Hooked up a Gucci and became the Don of 1-7, yawning. Yeah, man, the nigga was selling heroin by high school. Brought me the dope since I was on clockwork. Yeah, nigga, I raised the standards. Niggas thought I was going to hell. I became an Ayatollah cause I was already in hell. And writing I became sick. I'm illy. So I do things past the average. Don't think I fear murder, nigga. Premeditated, nigga. It's a damn sin. I'm a warrior, dancing with the devil. Smoking my weed, nigga, I'll call your bluff. Nigga, put knives in my ass. The worse of your dad, the more they remember you. The ill nigga, the real, give me a death penalty. I'm down for these kids in the streets. As if they love niggas in the government. It's Alexander the Great they love. Al Capone nigga, I cross my heart. I'm down with like Luciano, the Genovese. Nigga, I been BNG, Who swagger jacking? Cause you knew who I was when I was rapping. Talking my shit all year round on social media. Bitches said, you the first nigga I wanna run a train on. Gorilla. And niggas thinking I ain't getting no bitches. Yo, bitch asked me to the gun range. Straight thug, nigga. I saw more cocaine. Nigga, you wanna race the rabbit? I think you forget you used to watch cartoons when you was a youngin'. Who wanna battle me? Classic albums is freestyle. Nas, nigga, please. Leave me with your petty ways. Big, nigga. I am the cream of the crop of hip hop. The center, the motherfucking yoke, and it's that big. Please, don't think you could go to New York to trick. You want beef with me? Please come to the light and be embarrassed. You will make magazines, say your words, and die a horrible death. McMills, whoever. Nigga, just make sure you stay away from the spotlight. Isn't it clear that I am the hot diamond? Nigga, you better put me in a magazine before you die, nigga. And the snake starts to eat you alive, nigga. You don't believe in eternal life? I am the king, nigga. Black culture, nigga. The prophet, nigga. Who is that? Mook Diggs, nigga, riding around in your town. I done stepped on your ground. I done met Asian niggas so far-fetched, you could call me Lex Luthor. Nigga, my heart is isotone. I live a life like Superman. I am Lord Zed. I am so deep in my life, all you can say is king. Yeah, man, God made it up to me. Yeah, on this mission like a Siberian. Siberian cats love me. Look at my eyes, nigga. They went all black, nigga. I went diamond, nigga. Trying to be a star, all the love and support. Never had a car. Niggas can't wait for Cinderella to get a perfect ending. Marilyn Monroe, red my favorite color.